Time to update your vehicle? Take a look at this 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, ventilated disc brakes, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Treat yourself to the splendour of a premium sound system. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Pamper yourself with memory settings. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.